Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from webcity.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can easily create this kind of professional looking e-commerce website by using one of the most popular, most used multi-purpose WordPress theme named as Essential Multipurpose WordPress theme. If you see this 2022 best-selling WordPress theme, then here you can see this Essential theme will come in top 16 position. This theme is very much popular, and as you can see it already complete 12,000 sales number in just 1 year, and it already get more than 4,900 5-star rating in this short time. There are so many reasons behind this theme's popularity. Now let me discuss them one by one. The first and most important reason behind this theme's popularity is this theme use Elementor and WP page builder at a time. Means you can use Elementor as a default page builder, else WP page builder as a default page builder. It's totally up to you. This theme support both of the page builder, and as you know, nowadays Elementor is the #1 page builder in the WordPress. As you can see in this tutorial also I use Elementor as a default page builder, and Elementor or WP page builder, these are actually the live page builder. So the person who does not have any kind of coding knowledge, they also can create this kind of professional e-commerce website or any kind of website without any kind of coding knowledge. The second most important thing, this theme provides you almost 770 plus pre-built demo template, and those demo template actually you can use in both page builder, and you can import them in your website by just a single click. Don't worry, I will teach you how to import the template in this tutorial. My humble request, please watch this video tutorial from starting to end, so you will get a clear idea about this essential multi-purpose WordPress theme. This theme also support highlighted text. So as you can see, there is a green color underlined text that is called the highlighted text. This theme already get 10,000 plus satisfied customer in very short period of time. As you can see, only in 2 years it achieved everything. This theme have inbuilt header builder, page builder, pop-up builder, shape builder, footer builder. Everything is present in this theme actually. So you can easily create your custom header, footer, pages. Not only that, you can design the custom pop-up, custom shape divider, everything is customizable. And also with this theme you will get almost 40 predefined demo template, and those demos are really awesome, and they have the demo almost for all purpose. Like here you can see they have the demo for the gallery website, modern website, or SEO website, one page website, finance website, service website, software website, everything actually. And not only that, they have the separate demo for Elementor as well as separate demo for the WP page builder. So if you familiar with the Elementor page builder, then always you can import the demo for the Elementor, and if you familiar with the WP page builder, then always you can import the demo for the WP. Okay, but don't worry, in this video tutorial I am going to discuss about all the important feature and all the functions of the essential multipurpose theme, and I can guarantee that if you watch this video tutorial from the starting to end, then no need to import demo. I can guarantee that you can create any kind of website if you watch this video tutorial from starting to end. Whether it is a software website or a service website or a LMS website or a e-commerce website, anything you can design. Also with this theme you will get different kind of visual element for both WP page builder or the Elementor, and by using them actually you can easily create awesome websites. Also this theme support global dynamic style. I will explain in this tutorial, so don't worry. As you can see here, by changing a single color actually you can easily change the looks of the entire website. As you can see, I am changing the primary color and secondary color. So as you can see here only by changing the primary color and secondary color, the fields and the looks of the website get totally changed. And as I already tell you, with this theme you will get almost 770 plus predefined templates library, that also called Pixfoot library. So by using that library actually you can easily import any kind of template in your website by just a single click, and those pre-made library are totally professional looking, as you can see. Also with this theme you will get almost 65 plus pre-made essential pages like contact us page, about us page, career page, price page, etc. And those pages also you can import separately in your website. Also with this theme you will get this kind of professional looking comparison table. So if you creating such a website where you have to compare both two products, then you can easily use this feature. Also with this theme you will get this gallery lightbox feature. So when you click on a picture, that picture will be get zoomed in. It also called lightbox effect. And also with this theme you will get almost $120 premium plugin in free of cost. As you can see here, with this theme you will get this PixPuppet Core, WP Page Builder, Elementor, Essential Demo Importer. So many plugin you will get in free of cost. No need to buy them separately. And another most important feature I forgot to tell you, with this theme actually you will get lot of animation option. As you can see in the website, there are a lot of animation effect present here. It's really looking awesome. Everything is looking stunning. Also with this theme you will get 40 different kind of pre-made header template. Also you will get the mega menu feature in the header, and I can easily tell you, by using this theme actually you can create any kind of mega menu very easily. Not only that, in the demo also I cover how to create the mega menu, so don't worry about that. Also with this theme you will get 40 plus different kind of footer template also. But I will teach you how to create custom header and footer, because if you know how to create custom header and footer, then you can create any kind of header and footer. You no need to have to depend on the template, okay? Also the sticky footer option is also available. Even in my demo website also, here you can see the sticky footer. It's really looking awesome, right? Also with this theme you will get almost 16 type of different kind of pre-made pop-up template, and you can easily use them in your website. In my website also I will teach you how to create custom pop-up template. You will get different kind of pop-up like automatic pop-up, exit pop-up, so and so. Not only that, but also with this theme actually you will get almost 27 different kind of divider layout. They are really looking awesome. And this theme totally support WooCommerce. Even though in my demo also, the website what I am going to create, that will be a e-commerce website only. It support 5 different kind of product style. Also it support wishlist feature, sidebar shortcut feature, and different kind of product page layout also it support. Don't worry, I will teach you everything. Just watch this video tutorial from starting to end. And another thing I want to tell you, this theme is totally mobile responsive. So whatever the website you will made by using this essential theme, that will be totally mobile responsive. And this theme is totally SEO friendly. Also, if you planning to making a blogging website, with this theme actually you will get different kind of blog post layout. Not only that, with this theme actually you will get this kind of professional looking reading progress bar also. You will get 5 different kind of post type like audio post, quotation post, image post, video post, etc. Also you will get different kind of advanced blog option. Also with this theme you will get PixPuppet like option, also the Facebook and Twitter share option. So many things is available. This theme is packed with features. Even if you going to make a portfolio website also, this have almost 4 different kind of portfolio layouts. So now without wasting time, let me introduce the demo website what I am going to create in this video tutorial. So first of all, when you open the website, this pop-up will appear. So it is asking for entering your email ID for sign up. Let me close this one. So after that, here you can see in the top there is my logo, and at the right hand side here you can see the main menu bar. After the menu bar, here you can see the cart icon. At present no product is added, so it's showing empty cart option. And after that, here you can see the search option, and you can see a awesome animation effect when I click on the search option. Okay, let me close this one. And after that, view product means actually it will open the shop page. Okay, so as you can see, when I click on the view product, this shop page will open. Okay, so now again let me come back to the home page. After that, here you can see all the social media icons, and here you can see the address and contact number. And after that, here you can see a awesome slider, and here you can see the image thumbnail also. Okay, you can use this as a navigation button also. So after that, here you can see all the essential categories, number of the product available in this category. As you can see here, in this category total 4 items is present. For this category, I mean for this best bikini collection, total 5 product is available, and for this category 1 item is available. Okay, so next here you can see all the latest product, and here you can see some cycle slider. Suppose if I click on the casual dress, then all the product belong to the casual dress will open. So here you can see some special categories. Okay, after that, here you can see the check all categories. If I click on that, it will redirect me in the category pages. So after that, here you can see all the products, and when I hover on the product, here you can see this quick view option is appearing. Scroll down, and here you can see a beautiful shape divider option. So after that, here you can see some promo boxes with video pop-up option. Suppose I'm clicking on that, so this kind of video pop-up will open. Let me close this one. So after that, here you can see most popular products, and here you can see a product slider also. And as you can see, this product slider is really looking awesome. In the downside, here you can see the bullet buttons also. Let me scroll down. So here you can see another button for going to the shop page, and here you can see some particular products. After that, here you can see a product beautiful search bar, and here you can see all the partner logos, and when I hover on them, you can see a beautiful 3D animation will appearing, and here you can see some text, some images like that. So after that, here you can see again a video pop-up option, and here you can see a accordion. It's really looking awesome. And here you can see a beautiful call to action session, and downside here you can see the beautiful footer. My footer content my logo, about us text. Here you can see some most important categories. After that, some important links and some useful information, and after that, here you can see the contact us button. So now let me come back to the about us page, and when I opening a new page, here you can see a beautiful transition effect. So here you can see a beautiful about us page with lots of animation effect, and some 3D animation effect also is there. As you can see here, when I moving the cursor, here you can see some 3D effect. So after this image, here you can see my logo, some about us text, and here actually you can see a image gallery option, and here you can see some text with some partner logo and signature. After that, here you can see some icons, some heading, some subtext, and here you can see some counter boxes. Here again you can see some button, and here you can see again a video pop-up option. Okay. And the downside, here you can see the text, and after that, here you can see a beautiful testimonial. Okay, so now let me come back to the shop page. So in the shop page, actually here you can see a very simple but very beautiful shop page. So at the right hand side, here you can see all the filters available for this, and in the left hand side, here you can see all the products. In the top, here you can see how many products are showing, and here you can see some sorting option. I'll open the product later. Before that, let me come back to the blog page. So that is the blog page. Actually it's really looking awesome, and in the right hand side, here you can see the sidebar. Let me open a blog so we can easily understand how single blog post should look like. So you can see that is the single blog post, and it's really looking awesome. And here in the downside, here you can see the author name, author ID or author image, whatever, and here you can see some share option also, share on Facebook and share on Twitter. And in the downside, here you can see previous post or next post option. So let me click on that, so you can see another post will open. If you scroll down, now here you can see next and previous post option are coming. In the downside, here you can see the related post, and more downside, here you can see the reply option or comment option, whatever. So now let me come back to the contact page. So here you can see a very beautiful but very simple contact page. So here you can see some icon boxes. After that, that is the contact us form, and here you can see the Google Map option. So now let me come back to the shop page, and after that, let me open a product. Suppose in the shop page, let me open this product. So here you can see how a simple product is looking. At the right hand side, in the top, here you can see the product rate, product name. After that, here you can see the product tag. After that, here you can see the product category, some product short description. After that, number of the stock is available. After that, add to cart option, and here is the quantity option. Okay, and here you can see the SKU, and here you can see the product tag. And the left hand side, here you can see the product main image, and when I hover on the image, here you can see the zoom effect. Even if I click on this kind of light box effect will open. Let me close this one, and after that, here you can see some product gallery image also. If you scroll down more, here you can see the product share option is displaying, share on Facebook and share on Twitter. And after that, here you can see the description tab, additional information tab, and review tab. Okay, if you scroll down, here you can see the you may also like, means that is actually the cross sell product. Okay, and after that, product related products. Now let me open a product. Let me add the product in cart. If I click on that, the product will be added in the cart. So as you can see, one product is already added in the cart. From here also you can go to the cart page. If I click on this view cart, from here also you can go to the cart page. Let me click on that. So my cart page will open, and that is the simple cart page. So now let me click on the process to checkout option. Before processing this order, let me open the website in a new incognito window, so I can sign up that also. So you can understand how to create the original order. So let me open the website first of all. So suppose let me open this product, and after that let me add the product in the cart. From there let me click in this cart option. From there let me directly come back to the checkout page. So it's asking, are you a returning customer or do you have a coupon, like that. So let me click in the login option first of all. So if you have any ID password, you can always enter, but I don't have any ID or password. So for that, first of all I have to fill this form actually. Let me enter the first name, after that last name, next company name, that is optional. After that I have to enter the street address, and if you don't have any ID actually, it will ask to add a password. Okay, so let me add a password. So after that actually you have to choose the payment method. So here credit/debit card option is also available. You can easily enter your credit card or debit card details, but here I am going to choose cash on delivery. After that you have to click in the place order option. So in this way you can create an account as well as you can place a order also. So once you successfully place the order, this page will open. So here you can see all the order details. So now let me come back to the admin panel or admin window. So from there I can teach you how you can process the order also. So that is the admin window. If I hover on the WooCommerce, here you can see I already get a order. So let me click in the order option, and here you can see the order details. Let me click on the order. So as you can see, the status showing processing. Okay, so now suppose as an admin you already complete the order. So from this drop down actually you can see so many predefined addresses available. Suppose you already complete the order, so I have to choose complete, and after that you have to click in the update option. So in this way a customer can create a order, and as a admin you can process the order. Okay, so now without wasting time, let me start to build the website. So now for designing this site actually, here I am not going to use any real domain name or hosting account. I am going to use XAMPP. For downloading the local server XAMPP, just you have to type XAMPP in Google, and you have to click in the first link, I mean this www.apachefriends.org. When you click on that, this page will open. From there you have to click in the download option, and if you are a Windows user, then you have to download this one. If you are a Linux user, then you have to download this, and if you are a Mac user, then you have to download this one. So I am a Windows user, so I have to click in the download option. Once you click on the download will start, but I already download and install the XAMPP. So once you successfully download and install the XAMPP, after that you have to search for the XAMPP control panel. So here you can see the XAMPP control panel. You have to open that. So once you open, it will look like that. So from here you have to click in the start option for the Apache and start option for the MySQL. Once they're ready, they will become green in color, as you can see. So after that, what you have to do, you have to open a new tab and you have to type localhost. So once you type localhost, hit the enter key, this page will open. So from there actually you have to click in the PHP My Admin option. Now from here actually you have to create your database. This page will open. For creating the new database, you have to click in the new option, and here you have to enter the database name. Suppose I am giving the database name as Essential 1, and it is case sensitive actually. Okay, so make sure you are entering uppercase or lowercase or combined, whatever. You have to remember exactly same. Okay, so once you enter the database name, you have to click in the create option. So you can see my database successfully created. So next step, what you have to do, you have to open the my computer. So now I install the XAMPP in my E drive. So I am opening the E drive. So here you can see the XAMPP folder. If you install the XAMPP in C drive, then you have to open the C drive, and after that you have to open the XAMPP folder. Hope you understand the concept. Now you have to open the htdocs file. Next, what you have to do, you have to open another new tab, and you have to type wordpress.org, and from here actually you have to download the WordPress. You have to click in the get WordPress option. Now here you can see the WordPress version. Click on that. As you can see, I already successfully download let me click in the open option. So as you can see, that is my WordPress file. So next what you have to do, you have to open the htdocs folder. Now just drag and drop this WordPress folder inside the htdocs. It will take some time to copy everything, so please wait for that. Don't do anything when the file get copied, okay? Please wait for that. So as you can see, my file get copied. Let me close this one. Now actually I have to rename this folder. So just right click and click in the rename option. I am giving the file name as Essential1, okay? So after that, let me open the folder. Next what you have to do, you have to open the WP content folder. Now in this WP content folder, you can see two files. One is for plugin and another is for themes, okay? Next you have to open this link. This link I already give in the video description. From there you can download. This link I already give in the video description. So from there, by clicking on that, you can open this page and you have to buy this essential theme. Now the person who doesn't want to buy, for my subscriber actually I give the theme in free of cost, and that is totally GPL license, so you can use anywhere, okay? So just pause the video and go to the video description. So there you will find one link. Just click on the link and after that download everything in a single folder. So once you download everything in a single folder, it will look like that, okay? So that is the theme folder and that is the image folder. So whatever the image I am going to use in this video tutorial, everything I am giving here, and that is all the required plugin list. And after that, that is the product export. I'll explain this one later, okay? So don't worry. So next what you have to do, you have to come back to this htdocs and Essential1. Next you have to open the WP content. You have to open the themes. By default some theme folder will be there, just delete them, it's totally unnecessary, okay? So next what you have to do, right click, click in the copy, here right click and click in the paste. At the same time again come back to the WP content. So here you have to open the plugin folder, and here also please do the same. Open the plugin folder here, select everything, copy everything and paste everything here. Wait for some time till everything get copied. So once everything get copied, just close this folder, okay? Now you have to open another new tab, and after that you have to type localhost / that folder name, means Essential1, okay? After that you have to hit the enter key. So next what you have to do, this panel will open. From there you have to choose your preferable language. I am choosing English. Next you have to click in the continue option. So now again you have to click in the let's go option. So it asking the database name. Hope you remember I give the database name as Essential1, okay? So I have to enter the exact same name here. Username, that will be root, and after that password not required. After that you have to click in the submit option. After that you have to click in the run the installation. Next it asking the site title. Site title I am giving as Essential1. You can give anything. Username I am giving as admin, and password also I am giving as admin, okay? Next you have to confirm password, and after that here you have to enter your admin email ID. Next you have to click in the install WordPress option. So once done, you have to click in the login option again, okay? One pop-up will come. Let me close it. Click in the login. You have to enter user ID and password, and again you have to click in the login option. So that is the WordPress dashboard. Next you have to click in the appearance and click in the themes. Here you can see the essential theme. Click in the activate option. So now whatever the plugin you required, you have to select them. Does not require master slider revolution also not required. I think that's perfect. WP page builder also not required, okay? Click in the install plugin. So it will automatically download and install all the plugin. So please wait for everything get completed. Once everything get completed, you have to click in the next step option. So it's telling that the theme already activated because I'm using a authenticate GPL license theme. So next you have to click in the skip the step option. So now if you want to import any demo, you have to click in this import demo content option. So here you can see so many demo template already available. So if you install the Elementor demo, then you have to click in the import option for the Elementor, or if you want to import the WP page builder demo, then you have to click in the import option for the WP page builder on that particular demo. Not only that, but also you can install header, pop-up, everything. So I'll teach you how to import the demo later, and in this tutorial I'm not going to import the entire demo content. I'll teach you how to import the demo when I'm going to creating the header. Okay, so it's not required for me. So in the next step, what I have to do, I'm going to create a WooCommerce website. So for that actually I have to install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. So for that, let me click in the plugin option, because I already copied the WooCommerce folder. So here you can see the WooCommerce. Let me click in the activate option for the WooCommerce. Once you successfully activate the WooCommerce plugin, this page will open. Let me click in the skip setup option. No thanks. Again hover on the plugin and click in the install plugin. From there, this one not required. Let me click in the delete option, click in the OK. This one also not required. Activate this one, this MailChimp for WordPress, and this type payment gateway also required. Click in the activate option. This WP from Lite, that also required. Click in the activate option. So in the next step, what I have to do, you have to click in the media. Now open the folder, which link I already given in the video description. I am talking about this folder. From there you have to open the image folder, select everything, just drag and drop it here like that. It will take some time to copy everything one by one, so please wait for it. So as you can see, all the images already uploaded. So once all the images already uploaded, you have to set up the WooCommerce. So for that I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the settings option. So now in the general tab here, actually you have to enter the store address. So let me enter the store address. So I am from Telangana, India. So here I have to search for the Telangana, India. This one, and zip code you have to enter carefully. So next what you have to do, you have to select the selling location. I want to sell my product only in India, so I am choosing sell to a specific country, and from here let me choose India. And after that, shipping location also I want to ship my product only in India only, so I am choosing ship to a specific countries only, and from here also I am choosing India. Okay, enable taxes, yes, I have to enable the taxes, and my currency, that will be INR, Indian rupees. So here you can see the Indian rupees, click on that, and after that you have to click in the save changes. So next you have to click in the products. In the products tab, actually no need to do anything. Just if you want to change the measurement unit, you can always do it. Suppose I want to change it to gram, and remaining I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the save changes option. So after that I have to click in the tax tab. So hope you know, in India tax is also known as GST. Okay, so after that you have to click in the save changes again. So now in the top, actually here you can see one extra row get added, GST dates. Click on that. Let me close this one, it will take lot of space. Okay, so let me dismiss them one by one, this warnings or messages or notification, whatever. Okay, now it's looking quite clear. So next what you have to do, after clicking the GST date, you have to click in the insert row option. So here actually you have to enter the country code, that is IN for India, the tax percentage, suppose 5%, enable both of the checkboxes, and after that you have to click in the save changes option. Okay, so in this way you can add the tax class. Now directly come back to the shipping option. So in the shipping option, actually you have to enable the shipping charges, all the thing. Okay, first of all let me click in the add shipping zone method. Next what I have to do, the shipping zone name, suppose I am giving as India, and after that you have to click in the add shipping method, select the flat rate and click in the add shipping method again. So now I have to click in this flat rate, and here actually you have to enter the shipping cost rate. Suppose for each and every product I want to take the shipping charges as 50 rupees. So here you have to enter the shipping charges. But there is a problem. If you keep as it is, then the person who are buying single product, for that also shipping charges will be 50, and if a person buying 100 product, for that also the shipping charges will be 50. But you want for each and every product the shipping charges should be 50 rupees. So for that what I have to do, after writing the shipping charges, you have to enter this asterisk sign, and after that in bracket you have to write in small letter QTY, and after that you have to close the bracket. So now what I have to do, so now for each and every product the shipping charges will be 50 rupees. Hope you understand the concept. If you hover on this question mark, here also you can see this formula and all the details. Okay, next let me click in the save changes. Okay, next what I have to do, I have to click in the shipping class. Shipping class is necessary because suppose you are selling a very lightweight product like shoes, and you are selling also a very large weight product, a very heavyweight product, suppose like refrigerators, etc. So for the heavyweight product, the shipping charges will be obviously more compared to a lightweight product. So for that, I have to create two separate shipping class. One is for the lightweight product and another is for the heavyweight product. Okay, so for adding a new shipping class, you have to click in this add shipping class. Next here actually you have to enter the shipping class name. So I am writing heavy, and after that you have to click in the save shipping class. After creating the shipping class, again you have to come back to the shipping zone, because for different shipping class the shipping charges also will be different. Let me click in the India, and after that again I have to click in this flat rate option. Okay, so now let me remove the rate from here. Now for the product which is belong to the heavy shipping class, for the suppose for each and every product the shipping charges will be 150 rupees, and the normal product which is not belong to the heavy shipping class, for that the shipping charges will be 50 rupees. Okay, now let me click in the save changes. So next directly come back to the payments option. So now in the payments option actually you have to enable the payment gateways. Suppose I want to enable the cash on delivery, and hope you remember I already install and activate Stripe payment gateway plugin. So for that actually you can see all this option, else by default WooCommerce provide only these three option. Okay, so now enable this one, and after that you have to click in the manage payment. Now from here you have to enable the Stripe, and the title what you want. Title I want credit/debit card, even here also, even here also. Okay, scroll down, enable this one, scroll down and click in the save changes. Now here you can see the web topic Stripe. Right click and open it in a new tab. You have to open another new tab, and here actually you have to open stripe.com. Okay, now you have to open this stripe.com. Let me click in this dashboard option. After that you have to enter your email ID and password. Let me click in the login. So that is my Stripe payment dashboard. So after that you have to click in the developer option, and now you have to click in the API keys. Now here you can see the publishable key and secret key. Okay, now let me copy the publishable key, come back here, make it live, and here you have to enter the publishable key. In similar manner copy the secret key, come back here, and here you have to paste the secret key. Scroll down, click in the save changes. Now let me close this, and after that directly come back here. So now you have to click in the save changes. So the Stripe payment gateway also added successfully. Now I have to click in this account and privacy. Okay, now in this account and privacy I have to enable this one, this one, this one, uncheck this one. I think that's not required. Allow customer to place order without an account, I don't require this. Scroll down, click in the save changes. So once the setup is completed, next what you have to do, you have to create the product categories. So for that I have to hover on the products, and after that I have to click in the categories. So now for creating the category, here you have to mention the category name. After that you have to click in the thumbnail, and here from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in this and click in the select option. After that, again I have to select the image and click in the use image, click in the add new category. So after that, for adding another category, again you have to enter the category name, click in the upload/add image, and from the media library click in this image and select. After that again select the image and click in the use image. After that you have to click in the add new category, and after that let me add some more category like man's dress. And for the man's dress, from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, so I have to click in the use image option, click in the add new category. So in this way let me add some more category. So once you add all the product categories, after that you have to click the attribute option, because you have to create the attributes. First of all, here you have to enter the attribute name. I am giving the attribute name as color, and after that you have to click in the add attribute option. Next let me add some value to the color attribute. So for that I have to click in the color attribute option, and here let me add some value like blue, after that red, green, yellow, pink, etc. Okay, so after that I have to add another attribute. So again I have to click in the attribute option. This time attribute name I am giving as size, and after that let me click in the add attribute option. Now let me add some value to the size attribute. So for that I have to click in the size option. Now let me add some value like large, medium, XL, like that. Okay. So once you create all the category and attribute, after that I have to create the product. For creating the product, what I have to do, I have to click in the all product option. So in the next step, for creating a new product, I have to click in the add new option here. So now first of all I have to enter the product name here. Next I have to enter the product long description here, and at the right hand side here you can see the product image. Click on that. Now I have to click in the media library. Now from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, and after that I have to click in the set product image, and after that I have to add the product gallery image. Click on that, and from the media library you can select multiple images. By pressing Ctrl key at a time you can select multiple images, and after that you have to click in the add to gallery option. So after that here you can see all the categories. If you want you can select the single category, else if you want or if needed then you can select multiple categories also. It's totally up to you. Next here you can see the product tag. Suppose I am giving the product tag as formal. Okay. After that you have to click in the add option. Next here you can see the product data. It's a simple product, so I have to select the simple product from this drop down. Next in the general option you have to enter the product regular rate. Suppose the product regular rate is 650. If any sale is going on, I mean if you want to enter the after sale rate, then always you can write the discounted rate here like 450 rupees something, and make sure this regular price should be greater than the sale price. Okay. After the product is taxable or not, yes, the product is taxable, and the tax class, that is GST. I already created that. Okay. Now come back to the inventory option. So here actually you have to enter the product SKU. SKU stand for the stock keeping unit, and each and every product should have an unique SKU. Okay. After that, stock manager. If you want to enable that, always you can do that. Suppose you have total 180 product in stock, so here you have to write 180. Okay. And after that directly come back to the shipping option. So what is the product weight? Suppose 550 gram, like that. Okay. Next here actually you have to enter the product dimension. Suppose the length in centimeter like 100, width is 80, and height is around 120. I am entering some dummy information. Okay. If this product belongs to the heavyweight shipping category, then you have to choose heavy, else you have to choose no shipping class. Okay. Next, this attribute and another option I will discuss later. Now directly come back to the product short description. So here actually you have to mention the product short description. If you want to arrange them as a list order, then select everything and click on. Now here you can see everything displaying as a list item. Okay. And I highly recommended make it list item only. Next what you have to do, you have to just scroll up, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So in the similar manner you have to create some more products. Now for the time saving purpose, actually I already give a product export file. So by clicking on that you can easily import the dummy products. So for that what you have to do, you have to click in the products. Next here you can see the import and export option. So I have to click in the import option. So once you click on the import option, this panel will open. You have to click in the choose file. Now go to the folder which link I already give you in the video description. So that is my file. I have to select. Okay. Let me click in the open, and after that you have to click in the continue option. Again you have to scroll down, and after that you have to click in the run the importer. It will take some time to import all the dummy product. So as you can see, all the 14 product is imported. If you click in the all product option, here you can see all product already imported. Okay. But I highly recommended create your own product because it's a dummy website. For the practice purpose, always you can import that dummy products. Okay. So once you create all the products, after that I have to create the post. So first of all I have to create the post category. Hover on the post and click in the categories. So now for adding the post category, here you have to enter the post category name like travel. Scroll down, click in the add new category. Another category, suppose food. Scroll down, click in the add new category. So in this way you can add some random categories. So once you add the post categories, so after that I have to create the post. For creating the post, first of all I have to click in the all post option. By default one post will be there. I highly recommended please delete that. So for that you have to click in this trash option. So now for adding the post you have to click in the add new option here. After that here actually I have to mention the title. Next, whatever the post content, you have to mention in downside like that. If you want to add any video to the post, then you have to mention the URL here. If you want to mention the any audio file in the post, then you have to mention it here. And if you want to add any link in the post, always you can add this. If you want to add some quotation text in the post, then you have to add that quotation text here like that. Okay, next you have to scroll up, click in the post option. So from here you can see the post category. Suppose this post belong to the food category. Okay, so you can select that. If you want, you can select the multiple categories also. It's totally up to you. And another most important thing, you have to upload the feature image. So for uploading the feature image, you have to click on that. Next, you have to click in the media library. Now from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that you have to click in the publish option. Okay, hope you understand the concept. Now if you want to add any new post, again you have to click in this W option, and after that you have to click in this add new option again. So after that again you have to mention the post title. After that you have to mention the post content here like that. After that come back to the post option. From here suppose I am choosing the travel category, and in the feature image, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So now in the similar manner, let me add some more post, and after that I will come back. So as you can see, I already create total 6 blog posts. So now what I have to do, I have to create the home page. For creating a new page, I have to hover on the page, and after that I have to click in the add new option. So this page will open. Now here I have to give the page title. I am giving the page title as home. For the home page, actually I need this hide top padding option, so I have to make it yes. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Hide top area intro, that also actually let you make it yes for the home page. Once done, I have to click in the publish option, and once it published, I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So as you can see, my home page should be look like that. So first of all, actually I have to create this slider. So let me come back here. First of all, let me click in the plus option, and from here I am choosing single row and single column. After that I have to click in the session, and column width, that will be full width. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, and here you can see the column gap, make it no gap. Now I have to click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the slider. So here you can see the slider. What you have to do, just drag and drop it here like that. In the next option I have to click in the add item option. Now here actually I have to add a background image first of all. For that I have to click here, come back to the media library, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image as a first slider background image. Click in the insert media. Now image alternate text not required. I need the title, and my title will be this one. After that I need some random text also, so my text will be this one. After that the bottom text, that will be purchase essentials or purchase now, whatever you can write. Okay, in the link actually that is a dummy website, so I am giving the hash sign, but you have to enter the original link. Okay, next let me add some more slides. For that I have to click in the add item and add item like that. Now let me come back to the item 2, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. In similar manner I have to enter the title, after the text. Next I have to enter the button text also, and after that I have to give the link. Now come back to the slide 3, click in this. Now from the media library, for the slide 3, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, and after that in the similar manner I have to enter the title, text, after that button text like, and after that I have to give the link. Okay, once done, scroll down. So here you can see the navigation style, I have to make it circle, and circle align I have to make it left. Okay, circle color I want that should be black color. After that overlay color, that also black is okay. Overlay color opacity by default it's 30%. If you want to change, always you can do, but here I am keeping everything as it is. Now let me click in the title format. So now the color, from here suppose I am taking white color. Next come back to the content font. So here I am making it light, opacity 7. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. The content size I think 20 will be perfect. Okay, next come back to the button setting, I mean for this one. Okay, here everything I am keeping as it is. If you want to add any icon, always you can add. Suppose let me add the cart icon like this one. So once you click here, you can see it's added. Okay, now from here you can change the bottom color, everything, but here everything I'm keeping as it is. So as you can see, my slider is coming perfectly. Now let me check the responsive preview once. So for that I have to click into the responsive mode. Now let me check the tablet preview. So as you can see in the tablet preview, it's coming like that. Now let me check the mobile preview. So as you can see in the mobile preview also, it's coming perfectly. So no need to change anything. Directly again come back to the desktop mode. So after that actually I have to design this session. Okay, so again come back here. So now scroll down and let me click in the plus option. Let me take single row and single column. So after that I need some padding. So again I have to click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking 40 pixel and padding bottom I am taking around 80 pixel. Okay, so next what I have to do, I need a inner session. So I have to click in this and here click in this 9 dot and let me search for the inner session. So here you can see the inner session, just drag and drop it here like that. Now what I have to do, I have to click in this first inner session column and the width I am taking 70. Okay, so it is 70 and this is the 30. Okay, now let me click in this and here actually I have to search for the sliding text. So here you can see the sliding text, just drag and drop it here like that and my sliding text content will be this one. Okay, position that will be left. Next click in this title format, make sure it should be bold. Secondary font, yes, enable that. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Click in the advanced animation, yes, everything I am keeping as it is only. Now directly come back to the style option. So here you can see the typography option, click in this and from here the size I am taking around 40 pixel. After that here you can see the line height I am taking around 30. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Okay, now let me click in this and make it tablet. For the tablet I am taking 26 and after that let me switch back to the mobile and for the mobile I am taking 20. Next again come back to the desktop preview or desktop mode, whatever. So again click in this 9 dot and here I have to search for the text. Okay, so here you can see the text, just drag and drop it downside like that and my text content will be this one and the size I am taking 18 pixel. Content color I am taking body default, position I am taking left only. Animation, click in this, suppose I am taking fade in left and delay I think 600 will be perfect, 600 millisecond. Enable this one. Okay, everything is looking quite perfect. Now directly come back to the advanced option. Here I have to unlock the margin because I need some minus margin at the top. I think minus 10 will be perfect. So next let me click in this and here actually I have to search for the button. So here you can see the button, just drag and drop it here like that. Now here actually in this button I have to change the button text first of all. As you can see in my demo website the button text is check our shop. So here you can come back and here in the button text you have to write check our shop. So whatever the text you want to show in the button you can write here and after that here you have to enter the shop page link. It's a dummy website so I am giving the hash sign. Okay, so next what I have to do, make sure it should be bold so it will look good. Okay, and I want little bit the button corner should be rounded. So here you can see the rounded button corner, enable this one. Remaining I am keeping as it is, just I want to add a cart sign here. So what I have to do, here actually I have to search for the cart. So here you can see so many cart sign is there, whatever you want you can click and add. Okay, as you can see it's coming properly. Next another thing actually you have to come back to the advanced option and here you can see the width, I have to make it inline. Now I have to click in this and here you can see the horizontal line I have to make it end. Okay, next I have to click in this, this inner session and here you can see the vertical line I have to make it middle. So everything is proper now. So after that actually I need another inner session. So again I have to click in this and again I have to search for the inner session. So here you can see the inner session, just drag and drop it downside like that and here actually I need total single row and 3 column as you can see here. So come back here, right click here and make it duplicate. Now you can see in a single row actually there are total 3 column. Now I have to click in this plus option and here actually I have to search for the shop by category. So here you can see the shop category, just drag and drop it here. As you can see I need total 3 category box. So again come back here, first of all click in this image option and from the media library actually I am selecting this image. Okay, next I have to click in the insert media option. Next actually you have to choose the category what you want to display here. Suppose I want to display party days here. So let me search for the party days. So here you can see the party days, just click on that. So as you can see, total 4 items belongs to this party days. So it's displaying 4, and after that the party days are displaying. So now in the title, whatever you want to write, always you can write, okay. After that the link text, suppose I am writing check it out, and after that you have to give the link for the party days category link here, okay. So here I am giving the hash sign as usual. After that animation, if you want to add any animation effect, always you can do. Suppose I am choosing fade in up, okay, and after that always you can add the animation delay. I am adding 600 millisecond. Next, scroll down, click in this, make sure it should be bold because it's look good. Title format, here also I need the bold, and the title color by default it's white. I think white is looking good, so keep it white. If you want to change, always you can do, okay. Next, effect setting, if you want to change the effect, always you can do. There you can see so many effect is there. Suppose I am making it large shadow, so as you can see its look gets changed, okay. Even you can change the hover effect also. Suppose I am taking this large hover shadow, okay. Everything is looking quite good. Let me change this link color. Click in the link format, and here you can see the link color. I think gray one will be the perfect. Yeah, it's looking good now. Next, what I have to do? Right click, click in the copy, right click here, click in the paste. Even here also right click and click in the paste. Now click in the edit option for the second one. Now come back here because I have to change the image also, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. Now here I want to change the category also, click in this. From here, suppose I am taking casual dress, you can choose any category. After that I have to change the title also. If you want to change the link text, always you can do that, and after that you have to enter the particular link, okay. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Quickly change this image for the third one also, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. After that let me change the different category, suppose western dress, and after that if you want to change the title, always you can do that. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Let me check the tablet preview, okay, it's coming perfectly. After that let me check the mobile preview, okay, you can see the mobile preview also everything is coming perfect. So after that actually I have to design this latest product session, okay, I mean this one. So let me come back here, click in the plus option, let me take single row and single column, click in this, come back to the style option because I need gray color background. So from here I am choosing this light gray color. Do one thing, come back to the advanced option, and here unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 40, when padding bottom also I am taking around 40, okay. So after that I need a inner session, click in this, and here I have to search for the inner session. So here you can see the inner session, just drag and drop it here like that, and after that I have to click in this first column, and the width I am taking around 35, okay. So next what I have to do, just right click, click in the copy, right click, click in the paste, okay. Now let me change the content also, and here my text will be latest products, and after that I need this text also. Right click, click in the copy, and then in the downside right click and click in the paste option, okay. Okay, I think I do some mistake, let me delete it, and right click here, click in the paste option. Yeah, now it's coming perfectly, and here my text will be this one, okay. So after that click in this, and here in the layout, the horizontal align I have to make it end, okay. Now I have to click in this, and here actually I have to search for the circle. So here you can see the circle, just drag and drop it here like that. So here actually basically I have to add the circle. So for that I have to click in the add item option. So let me enter the title here, that is casual dress, and for that actually I have to select a particular image. Suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert media, and here you can see the link. Here actually you have to enter the casual dress category link, okay, and the color let me make it none. So here I am giving the hash sign. So in similar manner let me duplicate it more 2 times. After that come back to the second one. So here actually I am writing title as party days. Let me change the image also, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, insert media, and you have to change the link also, and now come back to the third one. So here the title I am writing as formal dress, okay. Click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert option. So remaining here everything I am keeping almost as it is. Size I am making it medium, alignment I am making it right, okay. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Come back to the button setting. So here in the button setting actually let me change the button text also, and after that you have to enter the shop page link here. I am keeping the hash sign here. Also remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Let me add the cart icon. So suppose I am taking this one, and the rounded corner button, yes, I want to enable that. Yeah, remaining I am keeping as it is. And here you can see the button style. Let me make it link. I think as you can see here, it's showing as a link. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. And the button color, I think gray 5 will be perfect. Sorry, the button style I have to make it link, okay, not line. Yeah, perfect. Now I need another inner session actually. Before that, what I have to do, click in this, and in the vertical line I have to make it middle, okay. Click in this, and again I have to search for the inner session. So here you can see the inner session. Just drag and drop it here downside like that, and here I need only single row and single column. So let me delete the first column. Now click in this and come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking around 40, okay. Next I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the shortcode. So here you can see the shortcode. Just drag and drop it here like that, and here actually I have to mention this shortcode, okay, because I want to display total 8 recent product and the number of the column in a single row, that will be 4, okay. So as you can see, it's coming perfectly. And another thing, as you can see, here is a shape divider, okay. So what I have to do, I have to click in this, okay. Now come back to the style option. Here you can see the shape divider. So I want the shape divider should be appear in the button, okay. So now here you can see so many effect is there. So from here I am choosing curve, okay. The width I am taking around 107, and the height I am taking around 140. Enable the invert, okay, it's coming perfectly. So next what I have to do, I have to click in this plus option, and again I have to take single row and single column. Now I have to click in this, and here you can see advanced option. Click on that because I need some top and bottom side padding. Unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 50 pixel, and padding bottom I am also taking around 50 pixel, okay. Next what I have to do, here actually I need a inner session. So come back here and let me search for the inner session. So just drag and drop the inner session, and here actually I doesn't need 2 column. I need single row and single column. So first of all I am deleting 1 column. So now you can see here single row and single column. Now for this inner session I need a background image. So click in this and come back to the style option. Now here you can see the classic option, and here actually I have to add the background image. Click that, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Now the position of the image, that should be center, and next here you can see the size. I have to make it cover, okay. Now here also I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. From all side I am taking 40, okay. Now I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the badge. So here you can see the badge. Just drag and drop it here like that. Next what will be the badge text, I have to enter here. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. So next what I have to do, I have to come back to the style option. So here the text color I need, it should be white color, so I am choosing white, okay. And the background I think blue light will be okay. So let me search for the blue light, I mean this one. Next I need the heading. Click in this 9 dot, and after that here actually I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the heading. Just drag and drop it downside of the badge, and here my title will be this one. So after that here actually I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the heading. Just drag and drop it downside, and after that my title will be this one. If you want to add any animation, always you can do that, and after that always you can add the animation delay. Next come back to the title format. Make sure it should be bold because bold is looking good, and the title color I am choosing white color. Title size I am taking H3, and the position that will be left. Next again I have to click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the text. So here you can see the text. Just drag and drop it downside like that. My text content will be this one, okay. It's coming perfectly. Next I have to add a video pop-up. So for that let me click in this, and here let me search for the video pop-up. So here you can see the video pop-up. Just drag and drop it downside like that, and it asking the embed code. So for that let me open the YouTube channel. So that is my YouTube channel. Let me open the video. After that I have to click in the share option. and from there I have to click in this embed option. Now here you can see a embed code, just copy it. Okay, after copy, let me close this one. Now let me come back here, and here you can see the embed code, just paste it here. After that, aspect ratio I have to choose. I am choosing 16:9, and animation I think fade right or fade left, whatever. After that, animation delay I think 700 will be perfect. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. The button size I think 50 will be perfect. Okay, so as you can see, it's coming actually downside. So for that, what I have to do here, the video promo, just drag and drop it inside like that. So now you can see it's coming inside. Next, what I have to do, I have to come back to the advanced option, and here you can see the width, I have to make it inline auto. Next, I need a button also. Click in this, and here let me search for the button. So here you can see the button, just drag and drop it here like that. And after that, what I have to do, I have to do the same thing, just drag and drop it inside. Okay, it's coming inside now. Next, directly come back to the advanced option. Width I have to make it inline auto. Next, I need some gap in between these two buttons. So what I have to do, I have to unlock the margin. Now I have to add some left margin. Okay, I think 20 will be perfect. If you want more or less, you can apply that, suppose 30 like that. Okay, next I have to design the button. So for that, I have to click in the edit option for the button, come back to the content. Now the button text, that will be this one, and after that the button link, that will be the hash sign. Okay, next the bold, yes, rounded corner, yes. Next, button color, in the button color I think gray will be perfect, gray one. Okay, I want to add a cart icon, so let me search for the cart, and I'm choosing this icon. So now as you can see, everything is coming perfectly. Let me check the responsive preview also. So for that, I have to click in the responsive option, click in the tablet. So as you can see in the tablet, it's coming like that, and in the mobile preview also it's coming perfectly. Now for the mobile preview, we can do one thing. I have to click in this, come back to the advanced option, and I have to make the margin from all sides 0, and after that just add the top margin around 20. Okay, so it's coming like that. It's really looking awesome now. So next, again I have to click in this desktop preview or desktop mode. So after that, actually I have to design this session. Okay, so you can come back here. Let me click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column. Now what I have to do, just scroll up. After that, I have to copy this sliding text, copy, scroll down, come back here, right click and click in the paste option. Now I have to change the text content. So come back here, erase everything, and whatever the text content you want, you have to write here. Next, you can scroll up. Now copy this text option, scroll down, right click, click in the paste option. Now whatever the content you want, you can always write here. And let me do one thing, click in this and just make it 60. Now click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the product carousel. So here you can see the product carousel, just drag and drop it here like that. Click this, and from here I am choosing top image without padding. Count I think 6 will be perfect. Now if you want, you can categorize, but I am choosing all. Now rounded corner I am choosing rounded large, and the shadow I am taking medium shadow. Shadow on hover style, I am choosing medium hover shadow. Hover animation, fly small. So after that, I have to come back to the style option. Let me make it 2. This one I think standard will be okay. Sliding effect, I think center left only will be okay. Snow navigation button not required. Dots yes required. Remaining here everything I am keeping as it is. So as you can see, it's coming perfectly. And here I actually, you can see there is a button. Okay, so let me click in this, and here let me search for the button. Okay, so here is the button, just drag and drop it downside like that. Come back to the advanced option, keep some top margin around 10 pixel, come back to the content option again. Okay, now the button text I want this, and the button link I have to actually give the shop page link, but it's a dummy website, so I'm giving the hash sign. Next, button style I'm keeping default. Button color, that will be primary light, and that is the medium. Okay, the shadow I think medium shadow will be perfect. Enable this rounded corner effect, and here actually let me search for the cart icon. So from here I am choosing this one. Button style on hover, that will be none. Button shadow, I think medium shadow or large shadow also will be okay here in this case. and the effect fly medium. So after that, another important thing left out, click in this, come back to the layout option, and here the vertical align, I have to make it middle. Yeah, that's awesome. Now let me check the tablet preview. Okay, in the tablet preview it's coming like that. Now let me check the mobile preview. Okay, everything is looking quite perfect, no need to do anything. Again, come back to the desktop preview. So here also I have to click in the plus option, and from here I am taking single row and single column. Now click in this, come back to the style option, click in this. I need light gray color background. Next, what I have to do, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top and bottom I am taking around 50 pixel, and here also 50 pixel. Okay, now in the top, if you want to add some shape divider, always you can do that. Let me come back here, top, I think zigzag will be okay. Let me increase the width little bit, and height also let me increase a little bit. Let me change the effect. So one by one you can try, whatever you like you can take. I think that's also looking good, as you can see here. So next, what I have to do, I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the inner session. So here you can see the inner session, just drag and drop it here like that. Now let me click in the first column, and the column width I am taking 70%. So next, right click here, click in the copy, right click and click in the paste. After that, right click in the copy, again right click here and click in the paste. Okay, now I have to change the content. So for the sliding text, my content will be this one, and for that normal text, I mean for this one, my content will be this. Okay, and here as usual I need a button. Actually I already designed the button, this one. Right click in the copy, scroll down, right click and click in the paste. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to click in this, and here the horizontal aligned I have to make it end. Okay, so next, what I have to do, another thing left out, I have to edit the button little bit. So for that, the button text, no need to change anything. If you want, always you can change. Next, the button color, let me take primary light. Okay, after that I have to click in this, and here in the layout, actually vertical align I have to make it middle. And another thing I forgot, click in this, here actually I have to add some shadow. Okay, box shadow, I think large shadow is okay. After that, button shadow on hover, I think large shadow hover is okay. Button animation fly medium. Okay, it's working perfectly. So again, after that actually I need a inner session. Again click in this, let me search for the inner session. So here you can see the inner session, just drag and drop it downside, and here actually I need total 3 column. Right click in the duplicate. Next, I need some gap also. Click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking around 50 pixel. Next, click in this, and here actually I have to search for the photo box. So here you can see the photo box, just drag and drop it here like that. Now here actually I have to enter the title, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert, hover color effect required, scroll parallax not required. Yeah, I forgot to give the link, I have to give the link also. Okay, I am just giving the hash sign. After that, animation, I am adding fade in up, animation delay 600, remaining everything I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Come back to the title format, enable the secondary font, make it heading default, make it A6. Okay, it's coming properly. And in the effect setting, always you can adjust the shadow style, shadow on hover, etc, etc. Suppose here I am adding fly medium. Okay, next, just right click here, click in the copy, right click here, click in the paste, even here also right click and click in the paste. Now click in the edit option for the second one. So first of all, let me change the image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, let me change the title also. After that, come back to the third one, click in the edit option for the third one. First of all, let me change the image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, and after that let me change the title also. Okay, so it's done here. So after that, let me check what I have to design. I have to design this session, search for product. Okay, so you can come back here. So again I have to click in this, let me take a inner session, just drag and drop the inner session downside. After that, actually I need some gap, click in this, click in the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking 50, and padding bottom also I am taking around 30. Okay, next, right click in the copy, right click in the paste, and here the title will be search for product. Okay, after that, right click here, click in the copy, again right click and click in the paste option. Now whatever the content required, just write it here. So after that, come back to the advanced option. I think -15 will be perfect in this case. Okay, so make it -15. Now click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the search option. So here you can see the search option. Just drag and drop it here like that. Animation fade in left and animation delay 400 will be okay. Yeah, everything is good. Click in this, click in the layout option, vertical align. Let me make it middle. So this portion is also done. So next again come back here. So after that actually I have to design this brand logo session. So again come back here. So now let me click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. Now I have to click in this, and here come back to the style option. Click in this because I have to add a background image, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image as background image, and after that I have to click in the insert. Next the size I am taking cover. Okay, so after that what I have to do, I have to click in this advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking 50, and padding bottom that also I am taking 50 pixel. Okay, so next another thing left out, come back here. I have to add some background overlay, and I need some dark overlay color. I think that's perfect. Click this and search for the text option. So here you can see the text option. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now whatever the text you want, you have to write it here. Position that will be center, and size here suppose I am taking 20 pixel. Alignment center is okay. Content color I am taking white color. Okay, so now here actually I have to search for the client. So here you can see the client cursor. Just drag and drop it downside. Now click in the add item. Now here actually I have to add the client image. Now from the media library suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media, and the title I am writing this. Okay, again let me click in the plus option, and again I have to click in this. Now from the media library suppose I am taking Spotify. Click in the insert media. Now in the title I am writing Spotify. Again click in the add item, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking Nike. Click in the insert media. In the similar manner let me add all the brand image, and after that I will come back. So now scroll down, click in this. I am making it fly small. Animation I think fly in up is okay. Delay 300. Add delay in between item. Yes. Now come back to the style option. Here number of the slide per page I am making it 5. Fade out will be okay for the slide effect. Not required. Position center. Okay, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now from here I have to come back to the advanced option. Here click in the background, click in this, click in this. From here I am choosing white color. I think that's perfect. And another thing I forget, click in this, come back to the advanced option. I have to increase the padding in the downside. I think 100 will be okay. And for the text also, come back to the advanced option. Margin bottom I think 30 will be perfect. Not 30. Let me make it 50. Okay, it's looking quite perfect now. Now let me click in the update option. So after that what I have to do, I have to design this portion. Okay, so you can come back here, click in the plus option. Here I am taking single row and 2 column, and click in this. Come back to the advanced option. Margin top and bottom I am taking around 50. I think make it 80. That will be more good. Okay, so next what I have to do, click in this, right click, click in the copy, scroll down, click here, right click, click in the paste option. Again scroll up, click this, right click, copy, come back here, right click, click in the paste. Okay, next click in the first one, and here my content will be this one. Now click in this, and here my content will be this one. So next I need 2 button also. So click in this, and here I have to search for the button. So here you can see the button. Just drag and drop it downside like that, and my button text that will be this one. Button link I am giving the hash sign, and button color I think primary light will be okay. Medium, rounded corner, yes. Button shadow, inverse median shadow. After that remaining I am keeping as it is, and let me search for the eye icon. I am taking this one. and I have to come back to the advanced option, and in the advanced option the width I have to make it inline auto. Right click, click in the duplicate. Now click in this one, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Left margin I am taking around 30. Now click in this, come back to the content, and at the place of the button primary let me make it gray. Okay, it's looking quite perfect. So after that actually I need to design this portion. So come back here, click in this, and here actually I have to search for the shop category. So here you can see the shop category, just drag and drop it here like that, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert option, and here I am choosing party dress. Title I am taking this one. Link text, that will be this, and here actually you have to enter the particular link, but here I am giving the hash sign only. After that, here you can see the overlay color, I am making it dark or black color, whatever. After that, in the extra class I am writing this one. Next I have to click in this, come back to the layout option, vertical align I have to make it middle. Yeah, everything is looking quite perfect. So again let me click in the plus option again, and again I am taking single row and 2 column. Now click in this, and here actually let me search for the video. Okay, so here you can see the video, just drag and drop it here like that, and it asking the embed code. I already discussed how you can get the embed code. So next I have to add the placeholder image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image as placeholder image, click in the insert option. Okay, it's coming like that. Now I have to change the aspect ratio, 16:9 I am taking. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. So after that, effect setting, large shadow, hover, invert large shadow, and fly large. Okay, everything is looking good. Now right click here, click in the copy, and right click here and click in the paste option. Here I think I have to increase the line height little bit. Let me click in this, come back to the style option, click in the typography, line height, yeah, that's looking quite perfect. Okay, now here also click in this and come back to the style option. I have to increase the line height little bit. Yeah, that's look good. So now right click here, click in the copy, right click here, click in the paste, and here my content, whatever you want to write, always you can write it here. Okay, so next actually I need the accordion. So again I have to click in this, and here actually I have to search for the accordion. So here you can see the accordion, just drag and drop it downside like that. Okay, next here actually I have to add the accordion item. So first of all let me click in the add item. So after that, here actually I have to give the title, and whatever the icon you want you have to mention here. I am clicking the duo icon, and here you can see the list of icon. You can choose any icon according to your requirement. Okay, suppose I am taking a dummy icon like that. After that, whatever the content you want to write you have to mention here. Hope you understand the concept. After that, if you want to keep it by default open, always you can enable this one, it's totally up to you. Now if you scroll down, by clicking this add item you can add another accordion also. Suppose I am clicking the add item again. The remaining process is quite similar. Here you have to scroll up, give the title. From here I am choosing this duo icon, and from here let me choose a random icon. Suppose I am taking this one, and after that whatever the content you want you have to mention it here. So like that you can add the accordion. And scroll down again, if you click in the add item you can again add another accordion also. And here I am giving this as title. Again I am choosing this duo icon. Suppose I am taking this icon. Scroll down, and content, suppose I am taking this one. Okay, now scroll down, click in the text style. So from here if you want to change the color always you can do it. Suppose I am making it black. If you make it black it will come like that. Okay, so next what I have to do, you have to click in this, and here the vertical align I have to make it middle. Okay, now it's perfect. So after that I have to design this portion. Okay, so I have to click in this plus option. Let me take single row and single column, make it full width, column gap, make it no gap, click in this plus option, and before that click in this and come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking 60. Okay, now click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the 3D. Okay, so here you can see the 3D box, just drag and drop it here like that. Now for this 3D box actually my title will be this one, next my text will be this one, next I have to choose the image, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert. Now make it center, and the hover color, let me make it primary gradient. Opacity I am keeping 70 only, and hover opacity 30. Okay, looking good. The class I am adding this one for adding the extra padding. Okay, now come back to the advanced option, and here title color I am choosing white color. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Opacity, light opacity 7, I think will be perfect. Okay, and the text size I think 20 pixel will be perfect. Now let me click in the button setting. So in the button setting, that will be the text, link will be hash sign. If you want the rounded corner, always you have to enable, it's totally up to you. Okay, everything looking cool. Now let me click in the update option. So now designing of the home page is complete. Now I have to design the about us page. So for that, first of all I have to click in this, click in the exit option. Now I have to click in the apply, you have to click in the cancel, again you have to update, and after that again you have to click in the exit option. So next what I have to do, I have to create a new page. So for that again I have to click in this W option. Now I have to click in the add new option, and here actually I have to enter the title of the page, that is about us. Here also hide top padding, yes, and this one also yes. Okay, after that I have to click in the publish option, and once it publish I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. My about us page should be look like that. Okay, so again come back here. First of all let me take single row and single column. Next click in the style option, and from here background type I need light gray color. I think that's perfect. Okay, so next I have to click in the shape divider. From here the top shape divider I am taking this wave brush. Okay, the width I am taking around 143. Click in the button, and here I am choosing mountains. Okay, and here the width I am taking around 217, and height I am taking around 52. So it's done here. Now I have to click in this, and here actually I have to search for the sliding text, I mean this one. Okay, just drag and drop it here, and my sliding text content will be this one, discover our story. Okay, so here I have to mention that. Click in the title format, make it bold, make it secondary font. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Click in the animation. Okay, everything is looking good. So next come back to the style option. So now from here enable the text shadow. Yeah, it's looking good. Let me decrease the blur. Yeah, that's perfect. Next again I have to click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the text. So here you can see the text, just drag and drop it downside like that, and my text content will be this one. Size I am taking around 18 pixel. Position that will be center. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Next again click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the image. So here you can see the image, just drag and drop it downside like that. Now let me click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. Image alignment I have to make it center. 3D hover effect, yes, I want to enable that. Image scale effect, make it small scale. Next 3D hover size, make it big. Animation slide in up. Animation delay I think 300 millisecond will be perfect. So next I have to click in this 9 dot again, and here actually I have to search for the inner section. So here you can see the inner section, just drag and drop it downside like that. Now what I have to do, I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 30, and padding bottom I am taking around 50. Next I have to click in the first column in the inner section. Column width I am taking around 40%. Again I have to click in this plus option, and here again I have to search for the image. So here you can see the image, just drag and drop it here like that. Click in this, and from the media library actually I have to select the logo, that is the logo. Click in the insert media, and here alignment I am taking center. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Directly click in this, and here actually again I have to search for the text. So here you can see the text, just drag and drop it here like that, and after that whatever you want to write you have to write it here. Okay, now the size I am taking around 18 pixel. Okay, so now the position I am making it left only. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. So after that again scroll down, click in the plus option, and here I am taking single row and 2 column. Now actually I have to design this portion. Okay, so here you can see image gallery type option, and here you can see this. Okay, so you can come back here, click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the gallery. So here you can see the gallery, just drag and drop it here like that. Click in the add item. So for the first item I have to choose the image from the media library. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. If you want to enter the title, always you can do that. Even you can enter the image description also, but here I am not going to do that. I am keeping everything as it is. Okay, now again I have to click in the add item, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Again I have to click in the add item, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this one. Click in the insert. Again click in the add item, click in this. From the media library suppose this time I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Again click in the add item, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Scroll down, let me add one more image. Click in this, and from the media library suppose this time I am choosing this image. Click in the insert. Okay, so in a single row I want to display total 3 images, so I am making it 3. If you want, always you can change it. I am enabling the 3D hover effect, and size I am making it big. Okay, effect setting, from here suppose I am taking large shadow, hover effect, inverse. I think that's perfect. Now again I have to click in this 9 dot. Here actually I have to search for the badge. Okay, here you can see the badge, just drag and drop it here like that. My badge text, that will be this one. Enable this secondary font also. Come back to the style option. Text color I want it should be black color. After that background color, I think I want some gray color, so I'm making it gray true. And text size I'm making it A6 only. After that shadow style, so shadow style I'm taking around medium shadow. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Come back to the advanced style and make it center aligned. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Okay, so next I have to click in this, and here actually I have to search for the sliding text. This one, just drag and drop it downside like that. My sliding text content will be this. Yeah, center aligned, everything is okay. Enable this one, enable this one. After that remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. I need the text also. Again click in this 9 dot and let me search for the text. So here you can see the text, just drag and drop it downside like that, and whatever the text content is there, just wrote it here. Size I think 18 pixel will be perfect. Position, that will be center. Now click in this, and from here I have to search for the client. So here you can see the clients, just drag and drop it downside like that. Make it 3 client because I want to display total 3 client only. Click in this add item, click in this. From the media library I have to choose the brand logo, suppose this one. Again click in the add item, click in this. From the media library suppose I am taking this one. Click in the insert media, click in the add item, and let me choose another brand logo. Suppose I am choosing Spotify. Okay, click in the insert media. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. So as you can see, a beautiful 3D animation effect is displaying now. It's really looking awesome. Next again I have to click in this, and here actually I have to search for the image. So here you can see the image, just drag and drop it downside like that. Click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this signature image. Okay, this one. Click in the insert media. After that alignment, make it center, width 200 pixel. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Actually I don't have the image of the transparent signature, So it's looking like that, but I highly recommend it. Take a transparent signature image. Okay, here you can see some colored mismatch. Hope you understand. It's a dummy website, so I'm not doing everything perfectly. So again I need another badge. Click in this, and let me search for the badge. So here you can see the badge. Just drag and drop it downside of the image. So from here, whatever the badge text you want to write, you can write it here. Secondary font, yes, enable that. Come back to the style option, and from here make it black, and here I am choosing light opacity 4. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the advanced option. Alignment, let's just make it centered. Okay, it's coming perfectly now. Else you can do one thing, just click this session, come back to the style option. For this mismatch of the color, it's not looking good. Okay, so you can easily do one thing, just click in this, and the background color, just make it pure white color. As you can see now, it's looking beautiful. Okay, so there is no mismatch of the color. So after that, actually I have to design this session. It's really looking awesome, right? I am explaining each and every step. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel if you doesn't, and if you already subscribe my channel, then thanks a lot. So now scroll down a little bit, click in this plus option. From here I am taking single row and single column. Click in this, and here let me choose a light gray color background. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking around 50, and padding bottom also I am taking around 50 pixel. Okay, so now let me click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the inner section. Just drag and drop the inner section here like that. Next I need only single column, so let me delete one. After that I have to click in this edit column option, and here you can see the horizontal line. I have to make it centered. Okay, next let me click in this, and here actually I have to search for the icon. So here you can see the icon, just drag and drop it here like that. Now icon type, I am choosing this duotone icon, and from here suppose I am choosing flower icon. I am talking about this one. Next come back to the content align, just make it center. Next animation, if you want to add any animation, always you can add. After that you can give the animation delay also. Next icon format, from here suppose I am taking blue color. Effect setting, no need to do anything. So next directly come back to the advanced option, and here you can see the width, just make it inline auto, and after that right click in the duplicate, again right click and click in the duplicate. Now let me click in the edit option for the second one, and from here let me search for the flower again. I am choosing this one, and come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Right padding I am taking 15, and left padding also I am taking 15. Okay, now click in the edit option for the third one. Again let me search for the flower. Suppose I am taking this one. You can choose any icon. I am randomly choosing the icon. Okay, so remaining everything I am keeping as it is. So after that I need another inner section. So again I have to search for the inner section. Just drag and drop the inner section downside like that, and here also I need only single column, so let me delete one. Okay, so after that I have to click in this edit option, and here you can see the width, just make it 800. Okay, now I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the sliding text. Okay, so here you can see the sliding text, just drag and drop it here. Now whatever the content you want to write, just wrote it here. Okay, alignment, center aligned, everything is perfect. Next come back to the style option. Let me decrease the font size a little bit. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Okay, so after that I need a text area also. So before that, do one thing, just check the responsive preview. Click in this. So as you can see, it's not looking good. So you can do one thing, click in this, just make it 100. Okay, and for this one also click in this, just make it 100. Next scroll up. Yeah, here everything is looking quite good, so no need to change anything. Okay, I'm keeping everything as it is. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. Okay, in the mobile preview also, as you can see, everything is coming perfectly. Again come back to the desktop preview. So now here I need a text, so let me search for the text. Just drag and drop the text downside, and whatever you want to write, always you can write it here. Okay, size 18 will be the perfect. Next come back to the style option, alignment, just make it center. Again come back to the content, and content color, let me choose the black color. After that I have to click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the inner session. So here you can see the inner session, just drag and drop it downside like that, and here actually I need total 3 column. Right click, click in the duplicate. So now you can see in a single row there are total 3 column. Now let me click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking around 20 pixel. After that I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the counter. So here you can see the counter, just drag and drop it here. So first of all I have to design this counter. So the number is 100, so here I am mentioning 100, and after that number prefix, here I am giving the plus sign, and here downside you can see that title. So title I am writing team member. Okay, the animation duration, if you want more slow animation then you can increase the duration. Okay, so next what I have to do, I have to come back to the style option. Now from here actually I have to take this blue color. Whatever the color you want you can take, it's totally up to you. Okay, right click here, click in the copy, right click, click in the paste, even here also right click and click in the paste option. Okay, now let me click in the edit option for the second one. So second one, this ending number will be 28 and the title will be this one. Now click in the edit option for the third one, and here the ending number will be 14 and the title will be spoken language. So after that again I have to search for the inner session, just drag and drop the inner session downside. So next just delete the first column. Now again let me search for the button, so that is the button. Now drag and drop it here. Okay, so the button text, that will be more about us. The button link I am giving the hash sign, the rounded corner, yes I want it should be rounded corner. Button color I want that will be gray one. Text color I want that should be black color. Okay, it's done. So next the alignment would be center. So what I have to do, I have to come back to the style option, and here you can see the alignment, just make it center. Okay, as you can see it's coming perfectly. So next come out from there, click in the plus option, again take single row and single column, click in this, come back to the advanced option, padding top I am taking 50. Okay, I have to unlock it, so right make it 0 and left also make it 0. Okay, so now I have to design this video pop-up session. So for that click in this, click in the 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the video. So now here you can see the video, just drag and drop it here like that. Now here actually I have to mention the embedded code or embedded video code, whatever. I already discussed how to get the embedded code before. Now I have to add the placeholder image, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media option. So next scroll down, let me take another session, again click in the plus option, I am taking single row and single column. So now let me click in this plus option here. Before that do one thing, click in this, let me take some top margin and bottom margin and top margin I am taking 50 and 50. Okay, so next here click in this plus option and let me search for the badge. So here you can see the badge, just drag and drop it here. Next the badge text, that will be this one. Enable the secondary font, come back to the style option. So now the text color, that should be black color. After that background color, suppose I am taking gray 1 or gray 2, whatever, and after that shadow style, medium shadow, hover, large shadow, animation hover, fly medium, badge inside content, badge inside a container, no need, disable it, remaining I am keeping as it is. Come back to the advanced style, make it center aligned. So after that again I have to click in this. Now I have to search for the text option. So here you can see the text, just drag and drop it downside, come back to the advanced, unlock the margin, top I am taking around 20 pixel. So whatever the text content will be, come back to the content, and here actually you have to mention the content. Okay, make it 18 pixel, alignment position, that will be center. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Let me add some animation effect also. Now let me decrease the width a little bit, I think 800 pixel will be perfect. Okay, it's coming perfectly now. So after that again let me click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the testimonial. So here you can see the testimonial slider, just drag and drop it here like that. So here for adding a new testimonial you have to click in the add option. Now whatever the content you want to write you have to write it here. After that person name you have to write here. Next person designation you have to mention here. If you have the person image then you have to choose the image. Suppose that is the image, click in the insert media. After that if you want to give the link for that person then you can always mention it here. Let me again click in the add item option. So whatever the content you want to write you can write it here. After that you have to mention the person name, next person designation. After that I have to mention the person image. Suppose that is the person image, click in the insert media. So now let me add more to testimonial. So if you want to change the content always you can write it here. After that the person name you have to write it here. Next person designation you have to mention here, click in this. And from the media library actually you have to upload the person image, click in the insert media. Let me add another testimonial. So here also you have to mention the name. After that you have to mention the designation, click in this. And from the media library you have to upload the person image. And after that you have to click in the insert option. Okay, as you can see my testimonial is coming perfectly. So image style if you want to change always you can change, but I am keeping the default only, I mean the circle button. Everything looking good, so I am keeping everything as it is. So the designing of the about us page is also complete. Let me update, and after that let me check the responsive preview once. Let me click in the tablet preview. As you can see in the tablet preview also everything is coming perfectly. Now let me check the mobile preview. Okay, in the mobile preview also as you can see everything is working perfectly. Okay, so let me click in this, click in the exit option. So now actually I have to design the contact us page. So for that, for creating a new page, again I have to click in this W option, and after that again I have to click in the add new option. Now here actually I have to enter the name of the page. The name of the page I am giving as contact. After that here you can see the height top padding, make it yes. Even here also just make it yes. Okay. Next I have to click in the publish option, and once it published, after that I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. My contact us page should be look like that. So let me come back here. First of all I have to click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. After that I have to click in this column gap and make it no gap. After that come back to the style option, click in this. From here actually I have to add the background image, click in this. And from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media option. Next the size, make it cover. After the background overlay I want a gradient background overlay. The first color I am taking this blue color, and the second color suppose I am taking the pink color. Okay. Next here you can see the opacity. Let me decrease the opacity a little bit. I think 0.3 will be the perfect. After that I have to come back to the advanced option. Here actually I have to unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 15, and padding bottom also I am taking 15. And here you can see the percentage option, just make it percentage. Okay. Okay, I think I have to again enter the padding 15 and here also 15. Okay, now it's looking good. After that come back to the style option again, because I want to add a shape divider. So click in the shape divider. I want the shape divider in bottom position. So the type, suppose I am choosing curve. After that width, suppose I am taking 130. Do one thing, just make it wave. I think that will look more good. Yeah, now it's coming perfectly. So after that I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the heading, else you can take this heading also, it's totally up to you. And my heading will be contact us. Okay. Next animation, suppose I am adding fade in up. Title format, the position that should be center. Title color, that should be white color, so I am making it white. And title size, I think H3 will be the perfect. Okay, it's looking good. After that again click in the plus option, and from here let me take single row and single column. Now here actually I have to click in the style option, because I want a light gray color background, so I am choosing this one. Next come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 50 pixel, and padding bottom also I am taking around 50 pixel. Okay. Now here actually I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the inner section. So just drag and drop the inner section like that. So by default in a single row there are total 2 columns, but I want in a single row there should be total 3 columns. So right click, click in the duplicate. Now you can see in a single row there are total 3 columns. I need icon box. So for that I have to click in this, and here actually I have to search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now click in this and let me search for the phone icon. Suppose I am taking this icon, click in this, and here in the title I am writing call us today, and in the content I have to mention the phone number. Position that will be left. Next, come back to the style option. So here I have to change the icon color also. I am choosing this blue color. Next, spacing, I think 15 is perfect. Size 30 will be enough. After that I have to click in this content option. So now in the content, first of all, here you can see the vertical line, I have to make it middle. After that, spacing, keep it default only. After that, color, let me make it deep black color. After that I have to click in the typography option, and the size, suppose I am taking 22. Next, for the description also I have to change the color. I think this gray color is enough. Click in the typography option also, and from here the font weight, I think 600 will be perfect. Now come back to the icon, click in the hover. So here you can see the hover animation. You can choose any animation. Suppose I am choosing pop. So when I hover, you can see a pop effect. Okay. Now just right click here, click in the copy, right click, and here click in the paste. Now here also right click and click in the paste option. Now let me click in the edit option for the second one. Click in this, let me search for the envelope. So from here, suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert option. After here, let me mention email ID, and here actually in the content I have to mention my email ID, that is okay. Next, click in the edit option for the third one. Click in this, let me search for the clock. So from here, suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert option, and here in the title I am mentioning working hours, and in the content I am mentioning 8 AM to 10 PM. Now let me click in this, and from here let me check the tablet preview, and after that let me check the mobile preview. Everything is coming perfectly. Now I can come back to the desktop preview, and after that, as you can see in my demo website, there is a contact form. So now actually I have to create this contact form. For that, let me click in the update option. For that, actually I have to come back to the dashboard again. I think I have to copy this URL, come back here and paste it. So now from here I have to click in this WP form because I have to create a contact form. So after that I have to click in the create your form. Now click in the let's go. So in the top here actually I have to enter the contact form name. I am entering the name as my form. After that, here you can see so many templates there. Suppose I need this simple contact form. Let me click in the use the template. So it will automatically generate a form for me. So now here you can see some basic field is already present here. Let me click in this, come back to the advanced option, make it large size. After that click in this, come back to the advanced option, make it large size. Suppose I need another extra field. Suppose I need the phone number field also. So for that, here you can see the number field is there. Just drag and drop it here like that. And after that click in this, and the label I want it should be phone number. Okay. Now come back to the advanced option, make it large, come back to the general again, and it's required field. Yes. So after that I have to click in the save option, and once it's saved, again I have to come back to this. Now I have to refresh the page once because I just created the contact form. So for loading the contact form, you have to refresh the page once. Okay. So after that, what I have to do, I need another inner session. So now for inner session, actually again I have to search for the inner session here. So just drag and drop the inner session downside just like that. Now what I have to do, click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 50. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this, and here actually I have to search for the contact form. Okay. So here you can see the WP form, just drag and drop it here, and now I have to select the form, that is the my form what I just created, and here I need a title also. Click in this, and here actually I have to search for the heading. So just drag and drop the heading here like that. Now my heading will be contact us, and the size I am making it is 3. Come back to the style option, and from here suppose I am choosing this font color, make it capital. I think that will look good. Okay. Now just right click here, click in the copy, and here right click and click in the paste option. Okay, now click in this, and here I am writing feel free to contact us. Okay, and after that here actually I need a Google map. So for that again I have to click in this. Let me search for the text. So here you can see the text editor. Just drag and drop it downside like that. I mean downside of this heading. Click in this. Unlock the padding. Top I am taking around 40. Now you have to open the Google map, and from here you have to search your location. Suppose that is my location. I am taking a random location. So after selecting the location, you have to click in the share option, click in the embed map option, click in the copy HTML, come back here. Now come back to the content for the text editor, come back to the text mode. First of all delete everything and paste the code here. So as you can see, the Google map already came here. So after that again I have to click in the update option, and once it updated, let me check the tablet preview also. So as you can see in the tablet it's coming like that, and after that let me check the mobile preview also. So as you can see everything is coming perfectly. Click in this, click in the exit option. So now actually I have to create another new page. Again I have to click in this W option, and after that again let me click in the add new option. Now the page name I am giving as blog, and after that I have to click in the publish option, and once it published again I have to click in this W option. So now actually I have to set up the default home page and blog page. So for that actually I have to hover on the setting, and after that I have to click in the reading option. Next I have to click in this, and for the home page I am choosing home, and for the post I am choosing blog, and after that I have to again click in the save changes option. So now actually I have to create the header. For creating the header, most important thing, I have to create the menu. Now for creating the menu, first of all I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menu. So by default you can see there is a already pre-built menu. I have to delete that. So in the downside here you can see bulk setting option. Now I have to select all the item one by one, and once you select all of them I have to click in the remove selected item. Okay, next I have to give the menu name, and after that I have to click in the create menu option. Now again let me select the primary, and again let me click in the save menu option. So now from here let me click in the view all. After that I need home, after that I need about us page, blog page, contact page, and I need the shop page also. After that I have to click in the add to menu option. Next actually I have to arrange them, like contact page should be later. So next before the contact page I need the blog page. Okay, now it's looking cool. Let me click in the save menu option. At the starting of the video only I tell you, I will teach you how to import the template. You can create your own header, but here I am teaching you how you can import a template, and here I am going to import a header template. So for the scroll up, hover on the essential, click in the demo import. Now from here I am choosing header because I want to import a header only now. So as you can see there are so many different kind of header template is there. I want to import the e-commerce one, so let me search for the e-commerce. So here you can see the e-commerce header. So let me click in the import option, and after that I have to click in the yes import. So as you can see importing already started and it's done also. So now let me check how my website is looking now. So for that hover on the essential one and click in the visit site. So here you can see my header is coming perfectly. If you want to change the logo, and if you want to change the phone number and address, always you can do that. So for that again you have to come back to the dashboard. After that you have to click in the headers. So here you can see e-commerce header already imported, and by clicking in the edit option you can easily edit that. Okay, so now let me teach you how to create the mega menu. As you can see at present no mega menu is assigned to the shop option, but in my demo website you can see when I hover on the shop option, this kind of professional looking mega menu is opening. So for that what I have to do, I have to create the mega menu. So for that again I have to come back here. Again I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to come back to the menus option. Now I want to assign the menu for the shop, so I have to extend that, and I have to click in this option, enable mega menu. Okay, let me click in this advanced mega menu option. Suppose here I want to add a icon, suppose shop icon. Okay, like that. Let me click in the save option. Now just scroll up, click in the screen option, and from here I have to choose products, and after that I have to choose the product categories. Okay, now scroll down again. Now here you can see the product and product category are displaying. Now let me click in this product category. So from here, suppose I want formal dress, casual dress, western dress and party dress. After that, let me click in the add to menu option. So next, this formal dress, let me close this one. Yeah, formal dress. After that, this casual dress, western dress and the party dress are the subcategory for the shop. Okay, now let me add some item for the formal dress, casual dress, western dress and party dress. So for that, I have to click in the products. Now actually, whatever the item belongs to formal dress, you have to choose from here, and after that you have to create the sub menu for the formal dress. Suppose this 4 item belongs to formal dress. Okay, so I have to add them, and after that this 4 product actually I have to create sub menu for the formal dress like that. Okay, hope you understand the concept. And this one also. Now suppose this 4 product belongs to the casual dress, so I have to add them, and after that I have to make them sub item for the casual dress like that. In similar manner, let me add some more product for the western dress. Click to add to menu option. I am randomly choosing the product, but you have to choose the product carefully. Okay, because you have to match the particular category. In similar manner, let me pick up some more product. Let me click in the add to menu for the party dress. Okay, now let me make them sub item for the party dress like that. Okay, so it's done here. Now I have to click in the shape menu option. So once I click in the shape menu option, let me come back here. Let me refresh the page once. So as you can see, my mega menu is not coming properly. So you can come back here. Now let me expand this formal dress. Okay, after that I have to click in this convert to column item, this one. Okay, this one, make it normal, and I want total 4 columns. So in a single row there will be total 12 columns, so each one will occupy 3 columns like that. Okay, make it right. Similarly for this one also, click in this, after that make it 3 columns and make it right. Scroll down again, click in this, make it 3 columns, make it right. And for this one also, click in this, after that click in this and make it 3 columns and make it right. Let me click in the save menu option, and once it's saved, again let me come back here. Now again let me refresh the page. So now you can see the mega menu is working perfectly. Okay, so now actually I have to design the footer. For designing the footer, actually first of all I have to click in this footer option. Now from here I have to click in the add new footer option. Now the template name I am giving as my footer. After that I have to click in the publish option. Next I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So as you can see in my demo website, actually my footer content total 4 columns. So let me come back here, click in the plus option. So I need total single row and 4 columns. Click in this. So you can see now my footer contains single row and 4 columns. So now actually I need some padding, and for adding the padding, actually first of all I have to come back to the advanced option, and in the advanced option actually I have to unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 60, and padding bottom also I am taking around 60 pixel. Okay, next what I have to do, again come back to the layout option and make it this session. Okay, next I have to click in the first column. The width I want it should be 33%. Next come back to the second one, and for the second one width I am taking 17. For the third one also I am taking the width 17. Okay, it's done. So next I have to click in this, and here actually I have to search for the sliding text. So here you can see the sliding text. Just drag and drop it here like that, and my sliding text content, that will be this one. I mean here actually you can mention your company name, and after that directly come back to the title format. So here everything I am keeping as it is. If you want to add some animation always you can do it, but everything I am keeping as it is. Now directly come back to the style option, and here actually I have to click in the typography option. The font size I am taking around 22 pixel. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, and I want that should be left aligned. Okay, so next actually I need some text. So for that again I have to click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the text. So here you can see the text editor. You can take this one, else you can take this one. it's up to you totally. Okay, just drag and drop it here like that. Now whatever the content you want to write, always you can write it here. So next I want it should be 18 pixel, so I'm making it 18. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. If you want to add the animation, always you can do. Suppose I'm adding the animation fade in right, you can take anything, and you can add some animation delay also. Remove margin under paragraph, yes, enable that. After that, as you can see in my demo website, I need these cycles, I need these circles. So you can come back here, click in this, and here actually I have to search for the circles. So here you can see the circles, just drag and drop it here like that. So the first category I am adding as man's dress, and here actually you have to give the link for the man's dress, but it's a dummy website, so I am giving the hash sign. Next you have to add the image for the man's dress category, and from media library, suppose I am taking this image, and after that you have to click in the insert media option. Similarly, again let me click in this add item option. The second category, suppose I am adding as women's dress, click in this, and from the media library I have to search the image for the women's dress category. Suppose I am taking this one. In this way actually we can add the category here. And for the third one, suppose I am taking this image, you can take anything, and whatever the category you want to add, you can write the name here, and after that you have to give the link here. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Okay, now directly come back to the button setting, and in the button setting actually first of all I have to write the button text here. After that you have to give the button link here. Next I want the rounded corner button, so I have to enable this one. Next, button style, I want that should be line, you can take anything, it's totally up to you. And the color, suppose I am taking gray 5 or gray 6 or whatever. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Okay, so next right click here, click in the copy option. Now click here, right click and click in the paste option, and now my text content that will be companies. Okay, so after that actually again I have to click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the feature lists. So here you can see the feature list, just drag and drop it downside. Icon color I am taking this primary gradient. Now I have to add the list item. For that you have to click in the add item option. First of all let me search for the check icon. So here you can see the check icon, just click on that, and the text I am entering about, and here actually you have to give the link for the about us page. It's a dummy website, again I am telling, so I am giving the hash sign only. In similar manner let me copy it couple of time. So now one by one I have to change the text and the links. Like for the second one it will be team, for the third one it will be asset, for the fourth one it will be privacy policy, and you have to change the link also. Now for the fifth one, suppose it will be terms and policy. Okay, in similar manner again right click here, click in the copy, right click here and click in the paste option. Even right click here, click in the copy, even right click here and click in the paste option. Now let me change the title. Suppose here I am writing our products, and after that one by one you have to change the list item also. At the place of the about, suppose you have to enter some product name, and after that you have to give the link for the particular product. So once done, I think the gap is very large, so do one thing, click in this, come back to the advanced option, and here unlock the margin top, let me take -30. Even for this one also click in this, come back to the advanced option, and margin top let me take -30. I think now it's looking quite good. Again I need another heading, so right click, click in the copy, even right click and click in the paste option, and here my text content will be useful information. So after that I need another text area or text block, whatever. Right click, click in the copy, and here right click and click in the paste option. Now let me change the content also. Now let me check what left out. Okay, so I need the button also, so you can come back here, click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the button. So here you can see the button, just drag and drop it downside like that. Okay, now let me change the button text. I want the rounded corner, yes I want, and here let me search for the call icon or phone icon, whatever. Suppose I am taking this icon. So as you can see, it's come here. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now I have to check the responsive preview. Click in this. So that is the tablet preview. I don't want it should be look like that. So let me do something. Let me first of all click in this, make it around 40. Click in this, let me make it 30, and click in this. Now let me make it 30. Okay, and click in this one and just make it 100. After that I have to click in this one, come back to the advanced option, and from here actually from all side I mean top, right, left button, add the padding as 60. Okay, I think 60 is more. Let me decrease it to 20. Yeah, now it's looking quite good. Next let me check the mobile preview. So as you can see in the mobile preview everything is looking quite good. So after that I have to click in the update option. So after that I have to click in this and click in the exit option. So next what I have to do, I have to hover on the essential, and after that I have to click in the theme option, because if you come to my website, as you can see there is no footer, because I have to set this template as a footer. So for that, here you can see in the layout footer option is available. So from here I have to choose the template, that is my footer. Okay, if you want the sticky footer you can always enable that. After that, sticky footer fade color, I think primary gradient look okay. If you want always you can change it. Okay, after that you have to click in the save changes, and once it's saved, let me come back here again and refresh the page. So now if you scroll down here you can see my footer is coming perfectly. Okay, now actually I have to design this sidebar for the shop page, because if you come to my website and here you can see the shop option, let me click on that. So in my shop page actually here you can see the default sidebar is coming, but I need a customized sidebar, not this one. Okay, so for that again I have to hover on the essential, and after that I have to click in the theme option, because I have to add a custom sidebar, and that is available actually under the general setting. So in the general setting here you can see the sidebar. So let me enter the sidebar name. The sidebar name I am giving as shop sidebar, and after that I have to click in the add option. So now what I have to do, I have to hover on the appearance, and here you can see the widget option. Click on that. Okay, it's asking to save it first of all. So let me cancel it. After that let me click in the save changes, and after that I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the widget option. So as you can see till now, if you open the shop page, this default sidebar is coming, that is the default sidebar, main sidebar. Okay, but if you scroll down here you can see one extra option get added, that is shop sidebar. Let me click on that. Now here actually I have to add all the element. So first of all I need a search option. So now let me search for the search option, and here you can see the fixed profit search. Let me click on that. So after that again let me click in this, and here actually I have to search for the product category list, I mean this one. Click on that. After that again let me click in this plus option, and here let me search for the attribute. So here you can see the filter by attribute option is there. Click on that, and from here suppose I am choosing color, let me click in the done option, and again let me click in this plus option, and again let me search for the attribute, and again I have to click in this filter by attribute, and now I am choosing size. Again I have to click in the done option. Once done you have to click in the update option. So once everything saved, let me come back here and refresh the page. So as you can see till the same sidebar is coming. So for that what I have to do, again I have to hover on that and click in the themes option, and after that in the downside here you can see the shop option, and here you have to choose the sidebar position. As you can see at present sidebar is coming in the right hand side. If you want always you can change the position in left sidebar also, and here you can see shop sidebar. By default it will be main sidebar, you have to change to the shop sidebar. Okay, and after that you have to click in the save option, and now once it's saved you have to come back here, refresh the page. So now you can see my sidebar is coming perfectly. Hope you understand the concept. If you want to change the position of the sidebar always you can do it from here. Suppose I want the right sidebar, so I have to choose the right, and you have to click in the again save option. Once it's saved, come back here, refresh the page. Now you can see my sidebar is coming in the right hand side, and if you don't want any sidebar then you have to choose no sidebar. Okay, and after that here you can see the shop style. Suppose I am choosing this one, and let me click in the save option. So now you can see the product showcase option will be totally get changed. Let me refresh the page, so you can understand the changes. So now you can see it's coming like that. So there are so many effects available. According to your requirement you can choose. As you can see, by default total 5 different kind of template is available, so you can choose according to your requirement. Next, here you can see the number of the column to be displayed in the sub page. So by default it will be 3. If you want to increase or decrease, always you can do it from here. There are different type of option is available. You can always change according to your requirement. Not only that, even in the intro option also, here you can see the divider style. If you want, you can always change it. Suppose I am choosing this one, and after that let me change the save option. So now you can see my header totally gets changed. There are different kind of option is available. You can always choose according to your requirement. Now if you come to the advanced option, here also you can see so many advanced option is available. I think better to enable this one, and remaining everything keep as it is. Let me click in the save option. So now let me teach you how to create a pop-up. For that, again I have to come back to this dashboard. So in the general option, actually here you can see the pop-up option is available. So first of all you have to create the template, and from here actually you have to choose the pop-up template. Okay, so now let me teach you how to create the pop-up template. Now for creating the pop-up, actually first of all you have to open a new tab in your browser, and you have to search for the MailChimp. Okay, now let me click in this mailchimp.com. Let me click in the login because I already have an account. So after that you have to enter your user ID and password, and after that you have to click in the login option. So once you successfully log in, you have to click in this, and after that you have to click in the account and billing option, and from here you have to click in the extra option. Here you can see the API key. Let me click on that, and once it's done, come back to this, and here you can see this MailChimp for WordPress option is available. Let me click on that. Now come back here, copy the API key from here, and come back here. Here it asking the API key, paste it and click in the save option. Now you can see the address is showing not connected, but after refreshing the page, here you can see it's showing connected. So once done, you have to come back to the form option. Now in this form option, actually first of all you have to click in this add new form option, and the form name always you can give. Suppose I am giving the form name as pop-up one. Okay, next let me remove the label because it's not required for me. Remove this one, even this one also. Okay, I think that's enough. Let me click in the save changes. Next, don't close this one. Here you can see the pop-up option is available. So here you can see the add new pop-up. Right click and click in the open it in a new tab. Okay, the pop-up name I am giving as my pop-up. After that I have to click in the publish option, and once it published, actually you have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So now let me click in this plus option. So here I am taking single row and single column. So next what I have to do, now I have to click in this plus option again, and here actually I need a inner session. So just drag and drop the inner session like that. Now here you can see the column gap, just make it no gap. Click in this, and here actually I have to search for the image. So here you can see the image, just drag and drop it here like that. Now from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. Next what I have to do, I need this background code. So for that click in this, and let me pick up the color code. So that is the color code. Let me copy this one. Next I have to come back to the session. So now come back to the style option, click in this and paste that color code here. Even for this one also, here you can see the column gap, just make it no gap. Okay, after that I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the sliding text. So here you can see the sliding text, just drag and drop it here like that, and my sliding text content will be subscribe us. Come back to the title format, make it as 3, and after that come back to the content again. The position I have to make it left. Okay, so after that again click in this, let me search for the text. So here you can see the text area, just drag and drop it downside, and that will be my content, and that will be my content. After that color I am choosing white color. Size suppose 18 pixel will be perfect. I think it's coming in next line, so just make it 16 only. and after that actually I need the short code also. Click in this and here actually I have to search for the short code. So here you can see the short code, just drag and drop it downside of this text block like that. Come back here, scroll down, here you can see the short code, just copy it from here, come back here and mention the short code here. So now you can see my form is coming perfectly. Let me do one thing, click in this one, come back to the advanced option. At the left hand side, give some padding, around 10 will be perfect. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Now I have to click in the update option, and once it updated, click in this, click in the exit option. After that again I have to hover on the essential, click in the theme option. Now in this theme option actually, in the general option here you can see the pop-up. There are different kind of pop-up is available. Suppose I want to apply the exit pop-up. Okay, click in this and choosing the template. After that I have to click in the save option. So in this way you can add the pop-up in your site. So now let me teach you some important customization option. So for that hover on the appearance and click in the customize option. First of all, come back to the site identity. So from here always you can upload your own logo if you have, else if you have the text logo you have to type the text here. Suppose I want my text logo will be web SEO tips. If I type here, you can see it's automatically changed here. If you have an image logo, always you can upload it from here, and if you have any fab icon, always you can choose from here. Suppose I want that will be my fab icon, so I have to select it, and after that I have to click in the crop image. So this will be my site fab icon now. So as you can see my site fab icon get changed now. So in this way you can change the logo, site identity, etc. Now come back to the color. So from here you can change the entire site background color and heading text color. Okay, after that if you want to change the header image, always you can upload that also. Even in the WooCommerce also, I always highly recommended. Come back to the product and here you can see the uncropped one. So if you choose this one, all the images will be shown in full size actually. Let me click in the publish option. I am ending this video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this essential theme, always you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have any WordPress related project, always you can contact with me with this number or with this email ID. Hope you really enjoy this video. If you really like and enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a like and please share this video with your friends and family. And my humble request, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And my humble request, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. And if you already subscribe my channel, then thanks a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.